But wo public order act fanan ku flele bi je mialon ko je nyanta Sénégal banko dingol anu ngamira ko mini loi karang wala nyanta ka banko molu makoy aning kamasa kuna makoy pour ya understand munem di public order act because public order act e ku flele fo ako ni betala public space to ima for private space private space wolon kon tanite la korda wanna business center je muntalti bari public space mi anko jamala dinkira ni bita woto andung ye kule suto mi anko le falo yitandila public order act wo sembo ditelale natara imante muna fanna fenna mimbe kala PA system de mi anko be kuma kan fola abe bola wod lato ay transpirate ay fraud lato modol sinano mi anko ima kalam tambe kiri wala ne koy kanay muna fan wala bon natara wolo iko woto yewo nyanto sutole democracy wo sembo dilale
ni adre mantra match la fana
ibanta match la ibita blackling
yes.
That's the public space wolo wo space wote imantra sila kan iman business obstruct iman tawani korda obstruct itara lo dulalto pour que la fanan yela message so be min deliver la ni pate janjang iko amanjeri ta police wol fan kala mutandal amanjeri pamito nyide isa min fawlo ise kala mutandino fande pour maybe binala escort ke security and all that but amanjeri pamit la but another ko denga ko natural ko ite betale beyond that ibe process on kala wolen ko be match kala kabo dinkra kata dinkra ibe ibe PA system use la but wo fanan ka kenya de wolem ko ibe request kala police kunda wolle na yela request jube ni sonna ka pamito dila wolle ba fole ko ibadati la jande yedanja ibadati la nyi watola yedanyi watola nyin ku flolem the biggest problem to be mi alon ko gambiano le wole soto
because niya yekumo bane niya jibe yes second one on for nibe procession kela automatically wo security issues sodla
exactly
because kabodla do kata dula do you know for mose wole jibe akata akabodamen to tanko be nyaadil akata damen je tanko be nyaadile anen jannabe fudawla tanko be wala na hani man ko loyati but it from common sense e balon ne ko wait permit on need because be bola dula do kata dula to molu nyante tankala jumala nyante tankala along that way wala mu security ibe PA system o use la ning police mantare idan dawna modo se kamfano la ibe kuma ka men na man dia ora sasa tulo bala modo ko sasa tulo babla ba patandika ba ni police je bala simply balon nako permitol detail
o dobe la do fa malo mimbe kiri ay PA system moy amalum fatol agenda menti anim buri bay
ay dungal
kono ay ta
ko kiti me alon ko ato man katula agenda so wala na nibe procession kala pour police se tara but then yaje problem kilne be nyim banko kan nyam badra emotional mol ko lo tambindi ning loi menfo mol be nyim banko kan menalan ko loi fa me loi long bari la personal interest anila emotion ikawo tambindi pour ka tonya fo gambien ko le clear example mendi bi my fati la statement I mendi my fati of all caliber men sodo my mu loyalty my tata fakere interior minister we understand ko may manya nakala modeme alon ko abe bankol security suksukula gambien ko kan may la kuma kan in the sense wala nyindi ko security e menka gambien ko le nyande o e menka nyim fondin kello nyande o kala because nulie business sort of obstruct nul tata wandi gate for the obstruct ye ATM access bank le beje yow la business obstruct le yow wala ATM obstruct ngam mayda male woje at the same time fana Carava Avenue American Embassy ning ako asilata ko maybe abe bad image la banko yes because American Embassy no ning ko kada America ba kalam dara
fadera
so but then
fadera kana jamfa
so non kana je
America
kana je
protest buka ke America
kana je la fondo because America process men ka je abuka kadula men ka kaja abuka kadula and the second mende hanin ayatara itol man left American Embassy le kalam da wore man left tending they can easily stop that it's so okay no le ibe wo stop no la nyaabi wala nyinde ko aliw ñim protestation men nata fo ñin mo siake ni ñul nata police ol men beje ikoy ko okay no problem alim batung yedum pira kan santo ni dunda pura kan ila concern authorities men beje ye kumandi ya tanjela ko ñul nata le so jumale ba alla petition talal to yala amari e pare ñul la mo fula mo sababu le dum ye petition di pura la eta muna ko le ata because ñul ma fo ko be statement fo dila ima fo ko minale e ko mina men do wala la petition e bolo submit la which is very simple so nim police sontanum won men nata yelo play card lo muta ya wulini wodla less than 5-10 minutes yela petition on nyeka yadi purale janjanta memen kono biya be kelal ate kala bondanga mira men kena wala nyindi ko police would have deal with this issue in a different way ye nyulubula ye petition di ni petition di nyula petition ko ni wato men di piral ni aussi de janni wote pura be jabila ni pura me jabi ibe pura safana kotenke wara ya jibe la next line of action be kala menti bari molbe nyim banko kanja men yana ko kunum ndol ni may fadi be ay tan janne ko ya jamme public order act ay Ousainou Darboe nyul muta wala jang ndol ni may fadi nyol be ya kondem janne solo sande nyol yemen kala solo nyol la movement wa nit ñi mëna fatata ji the only message wala fatata je solo sande nyol la move e findira menna and nit ñu le findo men ka the only difference moment wala mu message inti bar solo sande nyol findi ning o in fact ni wala fon because wala procession o kala wala move téléphone bar solo nyol findi dale bu yak findira mu ne wala mu pour ka banko la nyanto kele annun tolni may fati nyol be lu tajanen ko solo sande be luwala kan annun solo sande luwala kan annun solo men ka man luwatinya ya jame solo sande ala nyanto tinya bawo amman luwatinya nyim banko kan bira findira so sam bi muna falinta ni kunun ntolni may fati nyol be 2016 may nyol men politician le campaign ko wala la ko solo sande ay finto men ka ma luwatinya ni bi kanane ka funye ko ninnyim fonnin kelo nyim finto ka ye luwatinya ay kuntuda mo la bisi sol nyaato Kairaba Avenue business areality tenin ko mansa kunda niba kono wala nibe mansa kunda fasala inyande mansa kunda fasala menna wala nyindi ko kuma fo mansa kunda e membe kairon tenkun sabat la banko yaje kudan tambeje banko nibu ko mezo demonstration nim banko buke hakilotu wato bake popular uprising banko buke hakilotu wato bake aka banko jama kala bam menna aka fitnol wulu banko ka memma nyanne kala anun nyin kata nyamen ay maslan sile ni kakaram molula sutu na moli ni menna kenyol kakaram wolula ku kuma balamude Gambia sa karam no Senegal la bakel ndolu kar dandana tulan nin carte fawotem ko ya lon ka sa keno mamma mesonti nyantan hakilo tulato bakel because ni banko tara fu asudera election yala wala adunda election yakon kurin din wala kaka kubati banko kan because ku jama contribution factor jamal ka da dunje so pro na banko tara karon tenkun kono nga dun carte fa kono nga ba kono o kuma battle andum kawo maintain wotu dan tolla action level surtout Gambia police force ñing sa avoid nole asa avoid no lunjumale wala on Friday birin ñul findira Friday ning is sonta ñu le petition submit biri petition submit yela karsol wulindi e koy aljanjam pour yalla moyle bal jabilale bi men ketata kala ban ni ko mbefo ning kewlu mutalale men ket dum galala force protest wonyande kala nye wake up call leti findi folo ye mol muta fula nyaw mu neketa fo police fong maslanta ngaje lawanda addressing kala nyamen so malla fi banko e futa wol level anu binga menje anu jama ninyin kol keta mol men yalon ko imam makula idabul man dun kudo itatela on hajo lela nimay fade nyul kondem ko nyul tara damen do mudulal damen yalon ko wandi bisse sol beje fo bi police o tia gaso men fay ay mero men bondi may nyanto fana kondem la woto
mina holtele
I mean I de na no men boyta he should condemn that also
mina holtele yalo fadera yalo nyanda kan hakilotu ko kilinella anu I think ko ninkan la moy nyola bilahi benyo fahamnal ya fole ko ñing se avoid no on that fateful Friday lumina ñu ko mbitanga na petition samba to pura bori ayele ko kono ni ba kono ise karanno jele
ba kefa
that day happened mbinga jele kabing sarnata ate manual min keje lamin
very on call for
ye ñu molla ye samba mo mo nin saba but look at it police ol mam balang pour ka bail di ñinula but bail with conditions lem funding kel ko ete bail tala with conditions
most self bail
ya fahamde okay it was
because neo jibe jang ning kutam fanna
no this is the truth
because jama ika self bail di men la ika kela pour que batande tani na lolun tena pour que frustrate who is going to accept that
so now say be Friday Saturday Sunday by today 72 hours elapsed what can they do because lawyer munefo ni momuda
you have to charge
more than 72 hours for charge
for
yes so this is what brought the issue of Ngesamba court Kanifing because that's this jurisdiction ya fahamne wala nante ko nyenta ka hakilo to bake look at the police all minu used on Friday recruiter any instructor you only someone pour go live in her crowd control but woman na crowd ko wala ta bullying lella you understand because mote wo protesters kono mialonko hani macho ngaja bulle
no
you understand but they were arrested fast forward funding kel wulta ko denke iko ikata le law in solidarity with ila colleagues because B will sambala kitiola yes it will sambala kitiola B what happened police all sontanum bail but the magistrate means ita kitio kunna amam bail digala fonde ako remand yes amba mile 2 but now but ninga nyunkol jube wala na you said one thing wolem ko hakil tuo nyanta kala nyunko to baba kele because muneka ke wolem ko kunu Gambia dingo funding ke ala biggest fear min wolem ko police kunu B police o ka fole yafo killing flanja min wolem ko B pour kan samba cells is nothing Gambia funding ke Kasamba Seloto is nothing. But that was the farthest police will taranun daming. Olemko alfinta protestale ngal arrest le ngal samba ngal detain in police cells kal janjang at different places. Wobe munte olemko to instill fear pour kal silande. Isaje ko akana wasifalke. That is not working anymore. Ya fahamde. I said this here on Saturday nko saying what next pour police kunda ale arrest kele ale detention kele is not working wo martin na funding kele relent anytime ne commandiro ke e ka finti in large numbers e kal challenge fo e ka fale ko na radlem loi nyinne fo fodol bi je e ka section côté caption côté we need to be careful. But Simon Wolemko B ya elevated to a new position. Wolemko
mile 2.
Yes, from arrest to detention at police stations, signed to remand them at mile 2. What message Ibole Kikang B? For Hani B, wo miracle ngole be bulubang, Wolemko Gambia funding ke long niye sorong ye fenke ikasila le doltina. And it will end that way. But I'm not seeing that happening. Maje ko wole bekela. Because the trend mimbita can be now understand leko these youths are ever defiant. Because nka mwandin sabale fono we mil samba kitiola. But more people are arrested today.
Yeah, and in fact, ko memfoko people youth soul be dame be dalkan ko la.
Yes.
Mune o clan de wala nyindiko. If you look at the set of protesters they mean arrest on the first gala protest. If you observe most especially the latest one on many Lebantamen arrest the same people.
Almost same people.
So that is telling you ko nyulibita kan defo say be dalikan
and mo kutol fanan be kafu ke kan
mo fanan alo ni mo tata fo ay kuoka me alon ko mo le fanan ke sumala mo le be je me alon ko wol fanan kat comme they look up to that person. More especially when you come to activism ni mo tata fakar activism alon ni kada activism idinda ko ko ne ye kusoto je me alon ko mo lu contantala mo le fanan ke sumala mfanande abe jalla mfananga lo kula me alon ko fangana mo bonde mo lu nyaaje. So ñun mol be dinnon be jemen be admire kan mol be jemen alon ko they are definitely looking up to these boys now. So at the end of the day nima system o jibe be ñin ko manage la ñam. You know what is going to happen? At the end of the day ibe problem wala natla because nim funding ko tada banko kam foy dalta nyinna moment care anymore kaje ko ngata kasola was not a problem ngata mile is not a problem ngata jana is not a problem ngata jana is not a problem munamina kala police la every move wala tine fe wala saying so ntanga mira men kumada wala nyindi ko the Gambia police force wala nyanti hakilo tula Gambia police force na de hakilo tula in which sense wala nyindi ko ye kato beke ya jibe ninyin kwol keta is a commotion and ning riot is so avoid no nyamen in as much as possible is avoid no nyamen and then the best way to do that wala nyindi ko ye dialogue use yaje a good police officer wolem police on melon ka so song ani mole diamu ani mole kaja ani mole ko just look at UDP la ni last demonstration of Badra police la command sol men naraj ila operation commander fa men ni jaite but see these people would ning protest sol ije jele ko nim banku ni namu nkotol nin do malem ini e jiol di nyoso jiol la e nyoso mintinyol la yela tamol di la ini ila tafon fenna ye tanka bayto le protest ke lafta keleten an IEC man pare ka fintini la ila dulato police command membe je a lota bandala ko alminalo la janne all the other department many alon ko wolle minira pamito minira ila petition ol tala ibero la bundato banta janne o dal fana mina banta janne ay kumanne fola banga fenkete bula ko en ko alminalo la janne you see wali kanyamen ba nin ayatar wala fanan nata iko ba kala fini fanyoti ini molte benna annu mome yalon niaje mol ka police lo horme ke bunya ku fulalamde jorawne be bulo kono ani fano men dum ido mambe suwo kono ata hanyila kuma foye ban nin ay fano dum abe fano kono memu uniform mode hana ya foye ka sonne be gomene ka fano nyine horoma walla nayo kuda kela ay advance kuda le sefan defense no bare kamaneje aba fano la kono ani jorawna babul soro momi yalon ko ina fula ita hanyile kuma fay ina fulete sonne kuda woto nyantan hakilo tulale annum sar mu multimi yalon ko ate nyanta hakilo tula bak munanon ko sar nyanta hakilo tulale kunun nyanta kala sar nyol sivalle 40 bi sar nyol be place lo mendo kunun ay be place lo mendo bi molle be no place lo kunun molle be je kafmenes para commando saika fenketen bi wolule i symbole doyata hanin ayatare bibi yenyul fo modilete fenkenola hanin ayatare marritea barita kukenola ba wol dolbe je dol riteatale dol seeda solo kono fo kunun jang deputy IGP wala mo da handi janni ko da handi police keba jellel sida commission to men yalon ko ningalo nunga men kanun takala nin kunun mu biidi ngamen kanun takala bi wolle wol man tara police uniform mo kono wala palasol sar ñol bolto bi 2016 solo sande ñol la findi watol dabo ñol la findi watol wato sar ñol mu junior officer le ko ñin dol be ñamen so ni bi sar ñol forna through the ranks fo bi kena commissioner the assistant commissioner i ñanda karana kunun na baake andi be any action kala banko to baka banko tanka wol ñanda kele la first priority to nya hana tara luwala ko tenin bari samira ninga nyinketen ala impact be kala munet ita mu tankar lalde hanin luwa ko nyinke bari wajibe niyo ke fo ko kola samo be fitno o me wulura wala be jawyara ibe men tanka kambang biko fondin ko be ke ka nyamen nin ala man dema o mom beteya banko to annum banko be damen to nga nyatilin karre fawala so woto mbo koku kala nyanta calculer dala ngajibe me yalon ko ate kala banko kam fitnoti ate banko fonninkelu kam fanna biko ni banko fonninkelu tara fe kam fata o banko bukatano
nga video nati mi alon ko bi mbenga dengala nga jibe minketa bi kanifing ni mbota woto drong nse continue kachani kono mi alon ko bi nga nyinin karol ke drong wolem fo hani bi ka finti ka protest amu crime neti banko kamba fo kadung famu crime neti banko kan mbe video nyine jube kan mbe tembo minto sani Yes, so ning video nyimbitala.
Power, people power, people power, people power.
Bani nalio makona ne kaya bakola kamfara jiloti na moni tada kudikula woni kamfara many are all over the years ago. Min be kay kan wala mo hangi so ni ko woni kanki mo ci da ko para lo ko so wala be diam ila naga ko wala be diam
nobody owns this country and nobody knows the laws more than us. Right? We have been persuading since Friday. Especially in Mali, no other people were Mali. Yes. A lot of you called and I said this time around let's go on to negotiation. But when Mandela wanted to finish the appetite in South Africa, you know what he said? If peaceful negotiation fails, resistance and violence take place. If they want to wipe us, let them wipe us. If they want to arrest us, let them arrest us. So we stay here.
Imagine they want to brutalize us, they want to beat us, but we will not do rayu nit sax rayu bank ñepp and ray tam ngeen lo do am ngeen boole ko suñu xamna ray tam ni na wara something like that This my rifle, this my gun. This my rifle, this my gun. This for battle, this for war. This for battle, this for war. And if I die on the battlefield, and if I die on the battlefield, tell my people I did my best. Tell my people I did my best. Because I'm this for war.
This for battle, this for war.
And if I die on the battlefield,
And if I die on the battlefield,
tell my people I did my best.
tell my people I did my best.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
This my rifle, this my gun.
This my rifle, this my gun.
This for battle, this for war.
This for battle, this for war.
And if I die on the battlefield,
And if I die on the battlefield,
tell my people I did my best.
tell my people I did my best.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
Because I'm a fighter.
This my rifle, this my gun.
This my rifle, this my gun.
This for battle, this for war.
This for battle, this for war.
And if I die on the battlefield,
And if I die on the battlefield,
buggee jàmm bàyyi leen ndaw yi soo leen buggee ñàkk ndaw yi tey di ngeen bàyyi ndaw yi loolu tey ngeen a ñàkk ndaw yi ndaw yi suñu demee meltu doo leen amati ndaw yi I will see to it that you will not get one vote from the youth if they don't get released today.
Listen, just as a talk here, it is not about even the votes. What we are talking about here
It's the national
just
interest.
an injustice. St. Augustine once says that an unjust law is no law at all. And in the Africa anthem, it is said that let us all unite and celebrate together. The victories won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together to defend our liberty and unity. Oh, sons and daughters of Africa, flesh of the sky and flesh of the sun, let us make Africa the tree of life. Let us all unite and dedicate and sing together. The victory is won for our liberation. Let us dedicate ourselves to rise together for lasting peace and justice on earth. Let us all unite and toil together to give the best we have to Africa, the cradle of mankind, the fount of culture, our pride and hope at the break of dawn. Oh, sons and daughters of Africa, flesh of the sun and flesh of the sky, let us make Africa the tree of life. I stand before you today not as a Gambian youth, but as a truth, rightful servant of the Almighty Allah. And we all know that we, the humans, have replaced our man-made laws with the laws of the universe. And it is working for us so long that it is not trampling on the freedom of others. Citizens must not wake up and pick up a piece of paper only to be taken to mile 2. So many issues have been taken here. This amount of resources is not spent by the police. Then therefore this is 100% political. It is an intimidation towards us, and it is sad to see this in the new Gambia. So let's all reflect upon this, and we will stand our ground. It is okay, we are not resisting arrest, we just want the court to come out and know that we, all of us here, are guilty of the same crime. It is the combination of government and people working together in unison and harmony that will lead us to the progress that we all desire. We must stand together as one people with one goal and move forward as one nation. But if we insist on pursuing on our personal goals without keeping our collective objectives and responsibilities in mind, then indeed we shall be divided, we shall fall. Let us renew those promises we have made to ourselves at the time of independence as enshrined in our national anthem. Today I join our diverse people to prove man's brotherhood. The president is